Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can view your Outlook password. So first of all, you cannot view it directly from your Outlook application or desktop app itself due to security purposes from Microsoft. However, if you have saved it in your browser, you might be able to view it. So the process is simple. Come onto the browser where you think you might have saved your Outlook password, then select three-dot icon. Hover onto Passwords and Autofill, then select Google Password Manager. Then you will get to a page like this. Under here, you will see all the passwords that you have saved. Now in here, what you have to do is click onto this right here and search for Microsoft. And as I do that, you will see that I have saved my password for browser to Microsoft. Simply select right here, then it will ask you to type in your laptop password first, and simply unhide the password of your Microsoft or Outlook, then you will be able to view it. Just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.